Hello guys, Love Tutorials here, and welcome back to part, I believe, 8. Yeah, of our Unity C Sharp Road to Pro tutorial series. And today we're going to be reviewing if statements. So if statements is just, you're checking if a condition is met. For example, if I'm 18, I'm old enough to drive, even though the driving age is different in many places. But anyways, the way you do that, or one example to do it, is I'm going to go ahead and declare a variable of type int age is equal to 18, and I'm just declaring a new int called age, and we're setting the value to 18. And I'm gonna go ahead and write the if keyword, and then two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, however, I will write my condition, what I want to be meant true, and then it will execute some code. For example, so I'm gonna go ahead and write age is equal to 18. Now you might be asking, well, why 2? Shouldn't it be 1? Well, no, because when you're assigning a value to something, when you're applying a value, like for example, age is equal to 18, age is equal to 17, age is equal to whatever, that's 1 because you're assigning a value. However, if you're checking if something is equal to something else, it's 2. Because if you put 1, the compiler would assume that you're assigning age to 18, but no, we want to check if it's 18, so we're going to write 2. And right after that condition, I'm going to press enter and two curly braces, press enter again. And inside here, we're going to type in what's going to happen if this is true. Again, so what the computer is going to say, okay, so here we have a new variable called age, and the value is 18. Okay, we're done with that line. Okay, so the next line, now we're going to check if age is equal to 18. Okay, age, are you equal to 18? Yes, I'm equal to 18. And it returns true. And now it's going to run whatever we put inside here. So I'm going to go ahead and put console.writeLine, console.write, I don't care. You are old enough to drive. Semicolon at the end. And let's go ahead and do console.readKey. Perfect. Now when you press run or start, it says you're old enough to drive. Now, as you can see here, if we were to make age 1, it wouldn't print out anything because it's not equal to 18. Alright, so now that we have that covered, I'm going to go ahead and what if we want to check if age is greater than 18? Well, in basic math, we would use these angle brackets. So greater than would be this one, and less than would be this one. So if we were to type this, we would be saying if age is greater than 18, that means it's not 18 or less. That means it's 19 or more. So right here, if age is greater than 18, print that, and it won't print anything because age is 1. And now I'm gonna go ahead and type in 19. As you can see here, when I run it, it will because 19 is greater than 18. And of course, less than works the same way except with the opposite bracket. So right here, if we were to press run, it wouldn't print anything. But if we were to make this, we were saying if age is less than 18, and his age is 19, it didn't print anything. But if we were to make this 11, it would print it out. Now, let's say we wanted to check if age is greater than or equal to. That means, right here we're checking. Right here we're checking if age is greater than 18. But what if we wanted to, so what that's going to run, it's going to go ahead and say, okay, so if age is 19 or greater, anything greater than 18, which is 19 and above. But what if we want to include 18? Well, we would just go ahead, angle bracket, and equal sign. So that means if greater than or equal to 18, that means 18 and anything above it will return true. Same thing with the other side. That means less than or equal to. Now let's say we wanted to check if it's not equal to. Well, we would go ahead and instead of the two equal signs, we would go ahead and type exclamation equal sign. And when we run this, it's going to print it out. Why? Because we're checking if it's not equal to. If it was 1, if it was two equal signs, we would be checking if it is specifically equal to 18, and it would say it wouldn't print it out because it's not 18, it's 11. But since we're checking if it's not equal, right here, if it's not equal to 18, then it would, because 11 is not equal to 18. A simple way you can do this is just go ahead and you can type two equal signs, but in the beginning of it, just go ahead and put one exclamation mark. Again, oh wait, no, not like that. That only works with booleans. Oops, never mind that. Sorry. Uh, anyways, yeah. So right here, you would be checking if it's not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, uh, less than or greater than. Well, of course, this also works with strings. So I'm gonna go ahead and declare a new string called name. So string name is equal to Kenny, and I'm gonna go ahead and do if name is equal to. Now we can't do 18 because name is a string and that means text and characters values, not numbers. So we're gonna go ahead and do if it's equal to Kenny. Go ahead and print that, and it will print it because name is equal to Kenny. Now let's go ahead and change the value of name to Bertha. And when we press run or start, it won't print it out. Well, guys, that's it for this tutorial. I would like to get into else statements in the next video. Not in this one. I think we've done enough for now. But anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave some feedback in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and bye.